there is a widespread belief across a number of parties and sectors in the US that China has been exploiting the US and the international system. There is, to a lesser degree, but still quite wide, spread belief that trade isn't that good right now, and these two have come together. I think that this is likely to persist for a couple years until the US public suffers enough or the US economy visibly turns down enough that people are thrown out and the policies associated with those people are seen as bad.
I think the good news is that we're not going to see decoupling of the two countries because the two countries are so interconnected, right? So if you look at China's trade surplus, more than 100% actually comes from one country, the United States. So definitely China has no intention to decouple with the United States.
And it's not so much the threat of China's technological progress that is pushing the European view. It's really about an economic model, state-driven economic model that creates distortions, not only in China, but given the size of European companies, today Fortune 500, as many Chinese companies as American, which creates distortions to the world because they're big enough to do so.
With the US gone, or largely gone, and with the US preoccupied with its fight with China, there has been a big struggle to try and make those systems work without it. And so far, that has really not happened because no country has really wanted to step forward and play that particular role. And in particular, no country really wants to get between the US and China and try and stop that decoupling happening, or stop that.
Bits of industry that was in China are moving to other labor-intensive locations in Asia. And the beneficiaries of those are India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam in particular. And those are the textiles and garment bits, the shoes, bits of consumer electronic, bits of labor-intensive auto. So there are these things that are happening as we speak.